In the wild, where every movement can decide between life and death, on one side lies the snake, armed with deadly venom. On the other, the cat, small in size but faster than lightning. When two survival instincts collide, speed clashes with venom, and a single mistake could end it all. Today, witness the most breathtaking battles between cats and snakes. In a quiet backyard, a battle for survival begins. The house cat, though living with humans, still carries the instincts of a wild predator. As the grass snake slithers closer, the cat shifts into attack stance. With rapid, precise pounces, it strikes at the snake's head, the weakest point of all serpents. Something unbelievable is unfolding. A frog, a seemingly harmless predator, has swallowed half the body of a snake. But what no one expected is that the snake is still alive. Its head sticks out from the frog's mouth. And when a cat comes close, the snake's survival instinct suddenly awakens. Even with half its body swallowed, the snake keeps fighting back. It's more than just a reflex. It's the final act of resistance from a creature standing between life and death. The cat, with lightning-fast reflexes, retreats in less than a tenth of a second, narrowly avoiding a fatal strike. Nature is full of moments no one can predict, where even when swallowed whole, the will to survive never fades. A cat's reflexes are up to 6 times faster than a human's. A snake's strike lasts just 0.3 seconds, yet the cat dodges with ease, thanks to its 200-degree field of vision and extremely flexible neck. Don't be fooled by the Siamese cat's cute appearance. With incredible reflexes, it dodges every attack in an instant, turning the snake's deadly strikes into empty threats. When the snake tires, the cat counters, claws, bites, and slams the serpent's head to the ground. A cat's curved claws are razor-sharp, able to pierce the scales that protect a snake's body. And with stereoscopic vision, cats can judge distance with pinpoint accuracy, leaping within centimeters of their target. The rattlesnake, one of North America's most dangerous serpents. Its venom can paralyze prey within seconds. Yet this feral cat shows no fear. It circles, studying every move, and then strikes like a gust of wind. The rattlesnake's tail can vibrate up to 90 times per second, a warning meant to scare off enemies without a fight. But when facing a cat, such tactics are useless. Agility and vision outmatch fear. After just a few swift blows, the snake collapses. Once again, nature proves that speed can conquer venom. If we compare their weapons, the snake has venom. The cat has only teeth and claws. But intelligence and the ability to predict movement give the cat the upper hand. Each time the snake raises its head, the cat reads the motion and counterattacks in less than 1/10 of a second. In the wild, strength isn't defined by size, but by the ability to read motion and strike at the perfect moment. On the African savanna, a cobra rises high, hood spread wide in warning. But the wildcat doesn't back down. It lowers its body, eyes locked. A battle of nerves begins. When the cobra lunges, the cat sidesteps, and with a single, decisive pounce, lands a crushing blow to the serpent's head. A cobra can strike at 20 kilometers per hour, but wildcats can leap 6 times their body height, allowing them to counterattack in midair. Even from a young age, the hunting instinct runs deep in cats. A kitten curiously approaches a small snake, and when it's suddenly attacked, it flips backward with flawless reflexes. By just 7 weeks old, kittens already develop full reaction speed to fast motion, an instinct refined through millions of years of evolution. Every encounter between a cat and a snake is a reminder of nature's balance. One holds venom, the other, intelligence and speed. In the wild, there are no weak creatures, only those who know how to use their instincts to survive. If you enjoyed this video, tell us in the comments. In nature, which matters more, strength or intelligence? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more incredible stories from the wild.